Barcelona, Miss Micaela Catada, Miss May de la Cruz, Mr. Jason Del Amen, Mr. Darwin Eriman, Mr. Carl Jael, Miss Maria Ruelita Ondo, Miss Faiza Dao, Mr. Butch Liano, Mr. Mike Liviayo, Miss Tracy Ann Morera, Mr. Same Pedriana, Miss Mary Rachel Rebute, Mr. Rams Rubide, Miss Rian Rubide, Mr. Jun Salcedo, and Mr. Erwin Supe. If you were around Mr. Michael over here, grab to gate number 1340.
Attention to all passengers. Ang Cebu Pacific Flight 961 bound for Davao. This is not your boarding announcement. Once again, we are not yet boarding. Please remain seated. To facilitate an organized boarding process, we have divided passengers into boarding groups number 1 to boarding groups number 6. Your boarding group number is shown on your individual boarding pass. Please remain seated until your boarding group number is called. Para sa maayos na proseso ng pagsakay, ang pagtanggap ng mga panauhin ay hinahati ayon sa boarding groups number 1 to boarding groups number 6. Ang inyong boarding group number ay nakikita sa inyong mga boarding pass. Magyari po lamang manatiling nakaupo hanggang tawagin ang inyong boarding group number. Prepare individual boarding pass ang mga physical makikipart charge ng boarding gate. As a reminder, you may bring one hand-carry bag that fits the overhead bin and one bag that fits under the seat in front of you. Should you need assistance, please approach any of our ground crew. Thank you and stand by for your flight's boarding announcement.
We're calling the attention of all the remaining guests on Cebu Pacific Flight 5J771 bound for Pagadian. If you